Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are the team number 4 in the class of Teaching Aids at UPNFM CURNAC. In this opportunity we are going to show you how to make some flashcards in different groups. In groups of verbs, in groups of vocabulary for animals, and also in some adjectives. So in this moment we are going to show you how to make, what is the process, how to make it, how to make them, and we as future teachers know that the usage of different material for the students is useful. So flashcards is one of these ones. It's a useful tool that we can get our goals with our students. So we are going to show you what is the process now. Okay, now in this moment I will show you how we are going to make this type of flashcards for verbs. I'm going to tell you in this moment what are the materials that we are going to need. So, as you can see here, it has a green border from green cardboard. It has a white bottom. That letters are in black, and you need a picture, and there are some stars. So I will tell you what are the materials that we are going to need to make the flashcards of the verbs. First of all, we are going to need this one. This is a white cardboard, and it is cut in letter size. So we are going to need one of them in order to put it vertical like this, and then two borders for the top and the bottom. Two of them I have cut them, and then two other for the sides, for the left and the right. This one measures 9.5 inches, and this one measures 8.5 inches. So we need 4, 2 for the sides and 2 for the opposite sides. Of course, you will need also a picture for the verb that you want to represent, and then you need a marker, a black marker, in order to make the verb, to draw the letters of the verb. And you will also need an eraser because before that eraser you need a pencil to draw the lines, the capital letter of 2 inches, and the lowercase letters 1 inch. So you need a pencil, and then you need an eraser. You also need a scissor. You will need 4 blue stars and 4 yellow stars for sticking them here. And then you will also need a ruler. And finally, you will need glue.
Where we all came from, the dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for. Where love we share. This is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we share. This is what we're waiting for. In my mind, in my head, is where we all come. In my mind, in my head, is where we all come. In my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we share. This is what we're waiting for. In my mind, in my head, it is where we all come. In my mind, in my head, it is where we all come. In my mind, in my head, it is where we all come. In my mind, in my head, it is where we all come.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Mariela Maradiaga, and today I am going to show you my flashcards. As my partner said before, these flashcards contain verbs, and the materials that we use were, as you can see, green cardboard, white cardboard, a black marker, ruler, pencil, and images of the birds and images in the form of stars. So now you will see the process to make this flashcard. I hope you enjoy it because the flashcards are important in the learning process. The student can learn new vocabulary and use their imagination.
Hello guys, as you already know, my name is Marlon Maradiaga and we are back once again with another video. Yes, this time we are going to create flashcards, but this time we are going to elaborate them related to adjectives. Yeah, see how pretty and nice they look? Well, they look amazing. Same thing as we did with the last flashcards related to the alphabet. Well, the same thing over here. We are going to use the same simple materials. If you have recycled materials at home, we use it, doesn't matter. So in my case, or in our case, we are going to need a cardboard. If you had old bags at home, just cut it down and give the shape of the body of a house and the roof of the house right here, like similar like this. We are going to need a white cardboard like this one, you know, in order to put it in the middle of the old cardboard that we are going to use in order to create the body of the house right here. So in my case, or in our case, we are going to use, printed picture. This case, we are going to use a picture representing the adjective fast, right? So we are also going to need a corrugated paper like this one right here in order, to put it in the border of the house. We also are going to need three types or three kind of markers. A black marker in order to write down the adjective, in this case fast, a baby blue marker, and a pink highlighter in order, to decorate the borders of the roofs right here. We are also going to need a glue in order to put everything together. We are also going to need a scissor, in order to cut everything down and give them the shape of a house. And so the next thing that we are going to do is elaborate them or create them. So let's do it.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy, just like me. My heroes had the heart to lose their lives. I wanna live, and all I remember is thinking I wanna be like them. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. If there's no coincidence, I've come, and I can die when I'm done. But maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Maybe we're crazy.
And finally, we have the results of our creations. So we have the adjective spicy over here. We have beautiful. We also have sad and sleepy. And finally, we have fast. So let's continue working.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Indira Espinal, and in this opportunity I'm going to make some flashcards about animals, and these are the materials that I'm going to use. I already cut all the materials, the cardboard, the foamy, and the pictures. And I also need some squares of cardboard. And first I'm going to paste the foamy with the cardboard. I'm going to add glue, enough glue so it can be, you can make sure that it's not going to fail. I paste it, you can see it. I'm going to need a ruler in order to measure 1 centimeter. I already did, so I just have to paste it. Like this, and 1 centimeter from here to here in order to paste the next square. Like this, and I'm going to add a picture. It's going to be a cat. I'm going to add glue to the picture and paste it. Like this. Now I'm going to write the name of this animal so the children can see it and can know the name of this animal. And now I'm going to add some borders to the squares so it can look more colorful. I already cut them. I just have to measure and paste them. And this is the result. I think it's very colorful. Children will love it. And I'm going to continue with the next one. I'm going to follow the same steps. I already cut the cardboard. I add glue. And paste the foamy. In this way. I leave this triangle because I'm going to add a circle like that. I'm going to cut it and add all of the flashcards. I already measured 1 centimeter and I'm going to add the squares now. And it is time to add the squares and to paste them, to add glue. The foamy is already measured. I just add them and that's it. Now I'm going to add the picture. In this way, and now I'm going to write the word cat. going to measure both sides, so it can be in the very center. And these are all the flashcards. We have giraffe, turtle, dog, fish, and cat. And as you can see, this is the final result.
Hello, my name is Jocelyn Vanegas and today I'm going to explain you how I made these flashcards. I have here one flashcard of this animal, koala, and then this one, rabbit, and then panda. So the materials that I used for these flashcards were foamy, color red, purple, pink, yellow, and blue. Scissors, marker, pencil, eraser, glue, ruler, cardboard color white, and also this drill. So this time I'm going to show you how I made this. In this case, for this side, I measured like and finally we have all the flashcards. In this case I used animals to create them. We have koala, we have rabbit, we have hen, panda, and pig. In this case, I use these colors. For this, I measure here one centimeter, and here too 1 centimeter. For here, I measured 12.5, and here 11.5.